Yeah, a little slick out there. We had some freezing drizzle in parts of the region, and even just a little bit of freezing drizzle is enough to ice over sidewalks, your windshields, and the roads as well. That area of freezing drizzle, that's now going to be followed up with some snow showers into this afternoon, leading to continued slick roads. And then, first alerting you to Arctic air takeover. For now, we've still got a special weather statement in effect for parts of the Central and Southern Valley until 1 o'clock because of the freezing drizzle, making for those icy roads. Here's what it looks like on satellite and radar. Now, freezing drizzle doesn't show up very well on the radar, but what we do see is a few flakes through the Northern and Central Valley, a bit more snow about to move into southeastern North Dakota over the next few hours. But for travel today, take things easy. I've got the caution lights on for the entirety of the afternoon and evening because of the freezing drizzle and the snow. Temperatures right now generally in the teens and 20s, wind chill predominantly in the teens. But coming up throughout the rest of the day, this cold front continues to pass through, bringing snow showers. And then, Bobby, we need to talk more about this Arctic air invasion. It is going to get cold. We're going to talk more about that in a bit more detail here. Good afternoon. Thank you for joining us. A few things that we're watching for you in your first alert headlines. We're going to be turning breezy into this afternoon. A cold front is moving through. Ahead of that front, we've seen areas of freezing drizzle, and behind it, we'll see more areas of snow showers progressing through the valley. And then behind that front for tomorrow, some bitter cold air arriving. In fact, a cold weather advisory has been issued for a few of our northern counties. We turn mild again for the weekend, so it's a short-lived cold snap. Looking at several of our DOT cameras across the region, you can see some snowy areas and some icy areas. Minnesota Highway 59 looking especially icy at this time. So take it easy as you're out on the roads this afternoon as well. 24 degrees right now here in Fargo, 23 in Moorhead. Feels like 15. Our winds out of the south-southwest. So here in Fargo with that southerly flow, that is indicative that we are still ahead of the cold front. And Grand Forks seeing southwesterly winds as well, so yet to see that cold front move through. 25 degrees feels like 19. 16 in Langdon, 19 Hallock, 28 in Jamestown and Oaks, 19 Park Rapids, 16 in Bemidji. So here's a look at what's going on the satellite and radar. A more well-defined area of snow pushing through central North Dakota at this time. Some scattered light snow showers and freezing drizzle. And as we talked about a few minutes ago, freezing drizzle doesn't really show up well on the radar, but kind of a closer view here, you can see that these showers are very light and again, still ahead of the front. This afternoon, cozy up like these cats are. Temperatures in the teens and low 20s on both sides of the Red River, so a little bit below average for temperatures. So looking ahead to the rest of our afternoon, that cold front is going to continue to pass through, and we will see our winds turn northwesterly and pick up in intensity. We'll see gusts around 20 to 30 miles per hour. So by drive time this afternoon, be cautious of a little bit of patchy blowing snow where the falling snow is combining with gusty winds. By tomorrow morning, air temperatures sub-zero for most areas, even some teens below zero up north. So it's going to be a very cold start to our Wednesday, and in fact even by lunchtime temperatures still single digits either side of zero, with teens below zero remaining up north. But we do see more sunshine tomorrow, so a little bit of a perk even though it brings some colder air. In Fargo, we'll see wind chills, your feels like temperatures in the 20s below zero pretty much all day long with sub-zero high temperatures. So tomorrow morning, here's just a little bit of a snapshot. Your wind chill temperatures, those feels like, could be approaching 40 below zero in parts of the Northern Valley, and we stay cold all day long. A cold weather advisory has been issued from the National Weather Service for our northern tier of counties from midnight tonight through noon tomorrow for those wind chills as low as 30 below. And if you're thinking, I've never heard of a cold weather advisory before, that's because there has been a hazard simplification that this is the first year that's taking effect. So it used to be called a wind chill advisory. It is now called a cold weather advisory. And we're likely to bundle up the next couple of days. High temperatures for the afternoon, only, yeah, so cold we go black. Single digits below zero or very close to zero. And morning temperatures, especially Thursday morning, going to be the coldest that we've seen yet this season. Now remember, the Northern Valley tonight has a